Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall NetBeans on Windows. We can uninstall NetBeans by three ways. We can uninstall it via NetBeans Uninstaller, via Windows settings, or via the control panel. So first let us see how to uninstall NetBeans via NetBeans Uninstaller. For this, go to the location where NetBeans was installed. So in this system, it was installed within program files folder. So here locate the uninst 000.exe. So this is the NetBeans uninstaller by which we'll uninstall NetBeans. So double click on this exe. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Click on yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now NetBeans is uninstalled. Click on OK. So here you can see that still few files are present inside NetBeans folder. So click on Program Files. So here again, if you search for Apache NetBeans, you won't be able to find that folder. Okay, so this confirms that the NetBeans has been uninstalled successfully via the NetBeans uninstall. So now let us see how to uninstall NetBeans via Windows settings. To do this, press Windows I. This opens up the Windows settings. Click on Apps, Installed Apps. So here search for NetBeans. So NetBeans application is displayed. So click on the three dots and press Uninstall, Uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Then click on yes again. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Give OK. And here you can see that NetBeans app is removed from the installed apps. So now let us see how to uninstall NetBeans using control panel. For this, press Windows R and type apples.cpl and press enter. This opens up the programs and features of control panel. You click on the Apache NetBeans application and click on uninstall. Click on yes. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is completed. Click on OK. And here you can see that NetBeans is removed. So this confirms that NetBeans is uninstalled successfully via the control panel. So these are the three ways by which you can uninstall NetBeans on Windows. You can either uninstall it using the NetBeans uninstaller or Windows settings or via the control panel. You can follow any one of these three methods to uninstall NetBeans on Windows. So once we are done with the uninstallation, we need to do the cleanup. For this, press Windows R and type local app data within percentage and press enter. Here you will be able to find the NetBeans folder. We need to delete it. So select the folder and press delete key. Next, press Windows R and type app data within percentage and press enter. This opens up the app data roaming folder. Here again, we need to delete the NetBeans folder. So select the folder and press delete key to delete it. So this is how we need to do the cleanup post the uninstallation. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall NetBeans on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.